We did have a question come in specifically around some of the business relief investments, which was very relevant for you with your renewable energy holdings and things. And it was talking about the volatility in energy prices, obviously very, very topical at the moment. But also, from my own sort of knowledge, energy prices have been volatile for some time, both sort of upwards more recently and downwards as well. And the question was really sort of, how does that volatility affect, the performance of the sort of investments that you hold, and ultimately the performance that the end client has?
Yeah, no, it's probably the biggest question we get at the moment from people, because it's so pertinent. People are seeing the impact on their what they're paying, their energy bills every month. So it's this is the flip side though. We are generating energy and we are selling it to the grid. So all else being equal, we should see benefit in terms of increase in value to people that have invested in our service, and the income that we're generating from the assets should energy prices continue to increase. With our service though, and we're different to some of the other business relief managers out there, we tend to have fixes on our contracts for the energy prices that we're selling to the grid for a period of time. So, and the reason we do that is to try and mitigate this short-term volatility in the energy markets. Before, what's been happening the last couple of years, energy prices have tended to trend downwards. We're getting more of an influx in energy production, particularly green energy. So it's helped to lock in a certain level of return. More recently, that's trended upwards and we've seen huge increases. And in the short term, we've not seen a similar increase in our returns to coincide with that. I mean, the figure you just saw, it was, I think last year, we generated and we returned about 3.2%. So, largely in line with our target return. Should energy prices be sustained for a period of time in the future, we should see an increase in our return to coincide with that when we start going through the next negotiations of our contracts. But in the short term, we fix things to stop this volatility, essentially.